Alrighty, what is up everybody and welcome back to Transport Fever 2. As always, I am Dor, and today we're going to go ahead and finish up all the cities here. We're going to supply them all with at least one thing, and we only have 4 cities left, I believe. So right off the bat here, we're going to go ahead and put a road right over here. It can go ahead and be this little stubby road, it don't matter. We need to go across the beach here. Get a nice little thing going so that we can build off of there. And then we need to go like about there. Connect this into the factory over here so that we're actually getting a connection. Smack a boat thing down over here. And this is one. Oop, nope, wrong one. Oop, hit it again. I need you to rotate and connect into that. And we should have a connection to the factory, right? We do. Okay, cool. From there, we needed to boat on over to Bakersfield over here, so we're going to go ahead and put a another dock on this end over here. So we need another large one on this end. Boop. Okay. And that'll be that line once it's up and running. Did I actually click the thing? I did click the thing. Okay. And then we are going to pause time for just one split second here. We need this to go away. And we're going to relay this road so that the trucks can actually come down it on a bigger road here. So have this guy connect into the factory so we have a connection going. Have this come from there. Have this come from there. There we go. And then this needs to go into... needs to go back into the road over there. And we should be good to go with that. I think we need to move this guy. We do. Okay, so we can go ahead and get that out of there. Smack a new one down over here. As long as it connects to both of these, so we're going to put it over here. We'll leave it, we'll put it at 30, since we're going to be running the semis and stuff on this line. And that lights up both areas. There we go. That should do it. We need you to move over here so that you're still working. And we're good there, so we can go ahead and unpause it. We need to set that line up. That's fine. And then I believe we needed to set up another boating thing over on this side. We'll go ahead and we will remove this island over here just to not have to go around it when we're delivering here. Go ahead and get that out of here. We should be good with that. Let's go and clean it up a little bit so it's not so janky looking. And we should be good with that. We can go ahead and plop another one here. That will do it. That's getting stuff in. We need to plop a cargo terminal here now with trucks. We'll leave it at 30 as well for this guy. Have this rotate around a little bit so it connects into the thing as well. We don't need it touching that, but for now that'll be fine. So that's another line done. And then we need to go up here to Modesto and I believe Stockton right here, right? Yeah. So we're going to have a fuel line for these guys over here because one of them, or both of them, ooh, I didn't want to go that far out. Both of them need fuel, so we can give these guys fuel. That's not the fuel. Where's the fuel at? The oil's over here. Okay, yep, I remember. Oil's over here, so we can go ahead and connect that in. So that'll cruise up here to this station up here. Can have it drop off here and leave from here, so that's fine. Lock into the road, please. Thank you very much. So the oil will come up, turn into fuel. Righto. Oh, wait, hold on. This isn't... This needs the crude coming in. Ooh, I forgot about that bit. Okay, so we'll hold off on that one for 2 seconds here. We then need tools, so we need a tool line coming up from here. Or we need a lumber coming up. Going to here. We'll go here because these guys are going to be exporting when they are done. Like so. And then we can have one over here, connecting into this guy over here. So that is the lumber going to the chopping area, the planks coming back, the tools coming to Modesto, and the tools will also be coming out of there to a dock right here. I think I might move this guy down further so it connects into the thing that we're about to put down the harbor. Gonna clean up the island a little bit. Get that out of the way. Pull these guys out a little bit. What if I flatten from the ground here? There we go. Let me go ahead and clean this up a little bit. Okay, and with that cleaned up, we can go ahead and put down the harbor now. And the harbor can go here, like so. We can then drag a road from that thing over here to this thing. And then we can remove this guy and rearrange it so that it connects into both of these, hopefully. Like so. We can get you to go that way a little bit. Cool. So that's the tools and stuff down. I just need to name the lines and set vehicles on them. And then we need to go ahead and find a crude oil that's close to here because I totally spaced out on that. We have one. No, that's the same thing. Let me go ahead and find one because we have this guy over here, but it's already supplying a fuel line. So we might have to find something else here. Okay, well, we don't have a whole lot of options here with the oil, but we do have two north of us. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're just going to fly it in. We're going to go ahead and plop an airport down if the game would kindly allow me to do so. So we want to be landing from the top, but we're going to spin this thing around so that the buildings are on the right. And we should be able to go about there. We'll drag it out a little bit just in case we need to put down another terminal, but we should be fine. So something like that. 15 mil. Not really too bad for us right now. We need a connection here on the side. If we can just go like that so that we're connected in, and then we can wiggle this around somehow to get it connected in. We'll have you go out a little bit. We'll have you go into it a little bit. And that should do the trick. Kablamo. Okay, so now we need the road to connect into the airport so that we can actually deliver here. And by the looks of it, it looks like it connects in directly to the thing here. So we should be good. We don't need trucks running between the two. Hopefully. And then if we go back up here, we have these two right here. We have one right here on the left side. We have one right here on the right side. We're going to connect them both into the center here and fly them to the airport we just placed down. So I need to expand out this airport or this island here because the airport's not going to fit on it. And I think we're going to have it landing from that away. Or something like that. Let me go ahead and mess with this island a little bit, terraform it a little bit, and we should be good to go here in just a moment. Okay, so here's the finished product here. We have the island expanded out a little bit. We put the airport on it. Now we're going to go ahead and actually run a train. Train? Maybe. No, we won't run a train. Train's a little overkill for this. It's not really going a distance that would require that. So we can go ahead and actually put down a road. We need to have it connect into the front of the airport here. And then we can build off from there. So like so. And then over here we need this to connect in, which it looks like it can go right here. Right there, there we go. So then we just drag this across. We should be able to connect it right into the road. Little to no issue. Let's go ahead and just put the fancy bridge on there. Looks good to me. We're not going to have any boats or anything coming into the little canal here, so there's no real worry there. We also need this guy here to connect into the road over there, so we can go ahead and do the curvy road over to this chunk of the road. We good? We are good. Okay, cool. We're cool with both of those. Smack a... That's the train depot stuff. We need to smack a road depot here. Or a truck thingy here. So they're coming in and leaving, so we'll go ahead and leave it on that side of the road. Put it here. Do it over here as well. We need one by the airport before I forget about that one. Nope, I'm sinking it into the ground. I don't want to sink it into the ground. I want it to spin it. And spinning is that button. Okay, there we go. So, kablamo. Put one over here with this guy. Ooh, thankfully it does this. Cool. We're cool with that. Let me go ahead and smooth out the island a little bit here. So it doesn't look so janky, but it's going to look janky because of how it is. So we're fine with that. We need to put a depot down to get the vehicles out on this track here, on the road. And that should be good with that one. Let me set the lineup and set some trucks in motion here. We also just unlocked the ability to put down a second runway for our stuff here now. So we don't need a second runway on here, but I think we do need another runway over in LA on that airport. But yeah, well, let me go ahead and set these lines in motion here. I think I have them all hooked up correctly. I need to name them and set some vehicles on them, and we should be good. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so I think I have everything set in motion now. I may have missed a line, maybe not. I don't know. I'll see when once everything gets up and going here, and I start looking around the map where my line should be, if I missed anything or not. I think I'm good, but there's a chance. I mean, there's always a chance that I miss something, so only time will really tell here. Okay, I wanted to make sure those guys were actually moving and not stuck somehow. So we're going to go ahead and add on the other airport line to LA. If I can actually find the city, that's cool. There we go. All right, so over here, we need you to be configured. We need you to... This is the runway. What is this? You need a second runway. So... we have a collision. Collision with what? The island? I'm assuming. Let's see here. So if we flatten this area out a little bit, we should be good, right? Let's go there and then go down and flatten this out a bit. And hopefully that's what the issue is. This beach might be a little bit of an issue on this side here. But with that, we should hopefully be good to go. Boop. There we go, for 5 mil. Drop in the bucket for us. Can we add another one on? No, this thing only supports two airports. Okay, or two runways, rather. So we can't add another taxi line. But I don't think our thing will connect to this side of the road here. So we'll leave it for now. We'll see how this turns out. Uh-oh. Why are those lights so much bigger than these lights? Is that a different thing? Approach lights. Determines takeoff and landing. Nope, they're the same lights. We can get rid of these lights? We can. There we go, now they're both the big lights. But they're only utilizing one runway, and I don't know why they're deciding to do such a thing. I put two on there for a reason, so we can have a bit faster takeoffs and stuff here. Let's see if this guy does it. Go speed this guy up as well. Take this runway, please. Take that runway. That's fine. Yeah, no, that's cool. Alrighty, so they're using the other runway now, but for right now, I think it's going to be a really short episode for today. Next episode, we're going to go ahead and connect in the last 3 cities that need public transport. We have Modesto, we have Eureka, and we have Riverside, but I swear we have a train going to Riverside, do we not? Where is Riverside? Oh, no, we do not. Okay. No, we have construction coming to Riverside, I believe. Okay. So anyways, we'll go ahead and do that next episode, and then we'll probably go ahead and wrap up this little series as well. Next episode, maybe the episode after, I want to landscape some stuff here and get it looking nice before we go ahead and call it. But hope you guys enjoyed as always, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.